Hi everyone. In this video I'll be showing you how to delete or remove folder or directories that are present in Linux. So let's get started. So I'll be showing you how to delete both a empty directory as well as a directory that has some contents inside it. So currently I'm having here two folders. One is named data and another one is empty. So the empty folder is, as the name suggests, it has nothing inside it, and the data folder has some contents inside it. It has a folder and a text file. So now let's see how we can delete this both. So for this, just right click and go to the terminal. The terminal must have the path where these folders are present. So let me just now minimize this. So for deleting the empty folder, we can use the command rmdir. Alright, so just use that command and put a space and give your folder or directory name. So it's going to be empty in my case, and just look here, this folder will just vanish now. I'll just hit enter. Here you can see that folder just went off. But if we use this exact same command to delete our data folder, this won't work because data folder has some contents inside it. So I'll just go with exact rmdir and I'll just give the folder named as data. And if I just hit enter, here you can see this time we are getting fail to remove data directory not empty. So for removing non-empty directories, we can use the command rm-r. So it's going to be rm space -r space, and here you need to specify your folder name, which is going to be data. So now just look here, and if I just hit enter, the data folder which had some contents inside it has vanished. And another good thing is that we can use this same command to remove our empty folders also. So if I just now go here and create the same empty folder again, if I go to my terminal and use this exact same command, and I'll just change the name as empty. So here you can see that just deleted our empty folder as well. So this command rm space -r deletes both the directory which is empty as well as has some contents inside it. So this is the command, guys, and I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done many tutorials in Linux commands as well as how to create Linux commands by using C program, as well as programming tutorials in C, C++, Java, Python, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, MySQL queries, as well as CRUD operations using Spring Boot and Node.js, Figma UI tutorials, and 3D animation using Blender. Check them out, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.